Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cyber Vision. In this tutorial we are going to cover how to easily purge data in your Cyber Vision Center. You might want to remove information from your Cyber Vision Center for different reasons. In case you cannot just reset the center and remove all collected information, you need to be able to selectively remove it. Before we start, please note that purging data from the center is an irreversible action. Once you deleted information, it cannot be recovered. Whenever you consider a data purge, it is highly recommended to create a data backup beforehand. There are two options to delete data from your center: using the user interface or using the command line. This tutorial will cover both options. Independently which of the two you choose, both offer parameters to select which part of the data you want to delete. Deleting the data using command line would allow you to automate the effort. Before we look at how to delete data, let's make sure we have a good and common understanding of what this data actually is. Cisco Cyber Vision leverages a unique two-tier architecture consisting of edge sensors and a central platform, called the center. In a typical scenario, many sensors will analyze network traffic passively and send the results of the analysis to the center. The center will process the inbound data, augment it further and provide access to the user and for integration into other platforms. If you intend to delete data, it is about the metadata of your network traffic that was collected and provisioned to your center. To get started, please log into your center. Click on Admin in the main menu. And on Data Management in the secondary menu. Select the Clear Data menu item. You are being presented with different options on how to delete data. Please consider to take a database backup before using any of the options. The All Data option is easy to understand. It will remove all the data that was collected and processed on your center. The Component Selection option offers you to become selective with regards to the equipment on your network, for which you want to delete data. You can specify IPs, VLAN, or activity indications based on time aspects to only remove data as per your selection. Note that this option would delete the component activities as well as the components. The third option would remove all activities, flows and variables from your center. The second last one would just focus on flows and variables, and the very last one would delete only variables. Let's go back to the first option and select it. Confirm your selection by clicking on the red button on the right-hand side. You will be prompted to confirm your selection. This is the last time to reconsider if you would want to take a data backup before initiating the deletion. Confirm to start deleting the data from your center. Depending on how much data was stored in your center, the deletion might take few seconds. The successful completion will be confirmed on the user interface. To confirm and verify if the data was removed, go back to your All Data preset. If the deletion was successful, there should be no more devices, nor activities. You can also delete the data from the command line. To do so, log into your center using SSH in your CV admin account. Once logged in, switch to your root user. To delete the data on the command line, you can leverage the SBSDB utility. One of the options it provides is the Reset Data option. This option can be parameterized to delete all data, or be selected by just deleting activities, flows, or variables. Let's delete all data. Running the tool will provide you log output about its progress and status. If required, you could easily automate this way of deleting the data. Once done, return to the All Data preset on your user interface. If the deletion was successful, there should be no more data in your center. Thank you for watching this tutorial about selective and non-selective data removal from your Cyber Vision Center. Consider having a look at the other video guides on this YouTube playlist.